सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Here, Shiva is giving a very powerful technique to work on the sound. Let me translate the technique. In the beginning and gradual refinement of the sound or of any letter, enter into the power of void, become the nature and the form of void, let you be liberated. This technique is supposed to be done with a tremendous awareness. It's like you are supposed to be aware before any sound starts. You should become just hearing. You should forget all other senses. Only hearing and the starting of the sound and the sound reaching the peak and sound slowly disappearing. And when you go into the disappearance, along with the sound, your mind also will disappear. Understand? It means whole mind, your whole awareness should be established just on the ears. You should forget about all other senses. Complete centralizing on the ears and going through that sound, peak of that sound and valley of that sound and disappearing along with the sound. You may ask, is it possible? It is. All you need is little awareness. With little awareness, if you start working with this technique, more than a month is not required. Maximum a month is enough to play with this kind of techniques. Suddenly you will see you are into the space where there is no sound and no thought. Let me explain the technique. It's like a first 10 minutes. You will completely concentrate on your ears. Means the spot where you hear the sounds, where you feel the sounds, where you experience the sounds. See, from outside those waves are coming and touching you. At one point they hit you. And you realize that you are hearing some sound. Concentrate on that point where the sound waves hit you and you realize you are hearing some sounds. Concentrate on that point. Forget all other things, everything else. Then in that concentration, in that deep awareness, create some sound like a bell or a gong or some mantra. Create. One more thing, you should not miss the beginning, the starting point. As if your life is dependent on this, you should be so centered as if you will die if you don't do this properly. So centered, and don't miss the beginning of the sound. Let you be so aware inside your inner space, that wave raising, sound wave raising like a graph, it should go up. Just go with that sound. Reach the peak along with the sound. Just slowly come down with that sound and reach the valley with that sound. Disappear along with the sound. It is possible. It is possible. Let us try to work on this. Whoever can, let them have the glimpse. Let us work on the technique. Then we will have the energy darshan. How much time it will take, I don't know. Maybe 20 or 30 minutes, because I need to guide you and take you to the deep awareness, complete concentrated mood. Only then I will create the sound. So it may take 20 minutes or something. If you can't sit for next 20 minutes, if you feel for some reason you can't or you don't want to, you can leave the hall. If you sit in the back side row, it will be easy, you can leave without disturbing others. Maybe it will take 20 minutes, not more than 20 minutes, it will be only 20 minutes. If you want, you can sit on the floor or anywhere, that's not a problem. You can just sit in a completely relaxed way. Don't be tensed. Please close your eyes. Concentrate on your ears. Please close your eyes. Concentrate on your ears, just exactly the point in which you hear the sound. You are listening to the sound. Now you can hear the sound of the river. Just feel the point where you hear the sound, you listen to that sound. Concentrate on the spot where you are experiencing sound, where you are feeling the sound. forget all other senses like visualization, taste, smell, touch. Forget about all other things. Just be completely centered on the sound, spot where you hear the sound. Be centered on that spot. Be centered completely. Concentrate on the spot where you are hearing this sound. Inside your head, the point in which you are hearing the sound, concentrate on that spot. Be aware to receive the sound now. Now be aware to receive the sound. Don't miss the beginning. I will create the bell sound. Don't miss the beginning. From the beginning, just go with the sound to the peak and slowly go to the valley. When the sound disappears, disappear along with the sound. Be aware. Again, be aware. Step by step, I'm creating the sound. Just start with the sound, go with the sound. When the sound disappears, disappear along with the sound. Now concentrate on the same space. Go with the flow of this mantras. Raise along with this mantra. Reach the peak along with this mantra. Disappear along with this sound. Re. 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 Now you can create slowly some mantra, some sound inside your inner space. Create, flow with it to the peak and disappear when the sound disappears. You may chant Omkara, slowly start, take it to the peak and disappear along with the sound. Stop and give gap. Feel even the absence of sound. In the inner space, how you feel the presence of sound, same way, feel the absence of sound. Now start again. Nityanandam. Relax. You can open your eyes. These techniques are very powerful, but needs little bit of training. Like again and again, few times you need to practice. Only then you will grow that sensitivity. With that sense, then the click, the first experience, satori, can happen in you. There are a lot of questions. Maybe I'll answer all the questions tomorrow. Because if I start, I won't be able to finish everything today. So, I'll answer all the questions tomorrow. Okay. So, let you all achieve and radiate the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.